G'day everybody, I'm Jason, and today we're just going to have a quick overview of the Scratch user interface. So here we have the Scratch homepage, and the first thing you want to do when you come here, if you can, is join Scratch. So we're going to put in a username and our password, and hit next, and put in our birth month and year. If you don't have access to this, you can share an account, a teacher account perhaps, and in those days, I'll put in my email address. Thanks for joining Scratch, and we're ready to go. So we see, once we've done that, we see a different user interface. We get a few things here I'll point out. A folder. This is our folder of anything we've saved. And we get messages. This will be a welcome message. And the other main one is the create or explore. So create will take us to the workplace, but before we jump there, you can click on any project and just jump straight into changing it. So I'm just going to pick this one, and you can click see inside, and this shows you all the code. And the important thing here is I'm going to have you do this and remix some of my projects. So the button up here, remix, that essentially says now this is my own version or copy of the project, and I can mess it around and do what I want with it, change it, and save it. So that button there saves, and the button right next to it is the folder to take me to my stuff again. And here I can see that project I just saved. So I can edit it again. So this is now my own version of that person's project that I remixed. But it's not shared, so if you wanted anyone else to be able to see it, you have to click on share. You can do that from here, or when we're in here, the workstation, there's a share button here as well. So you want to do that on projects that you do in class so that you can share them at the end of our coding lab. So we're just going to go to create a new project. We hit create. And we're going to give it a name, my new project. Probably put your name in here is even better, Jason's project. That way if you're sharing an account, the teacher will be able to see whose projects they are. And just quickly show you a couple of parts of the user interface that are important. These are all the different actions that you can drag out into the coding area, coding window over here, this section. So I can drag out events like that, and this is the sprites section, so you can add new sprites here by choosing a sprite, and this is basically a sprite is just something you can move around on the screen on the stage, and I call this the stage. This is essentially, you know, the area of the workplace that sort of shows the output of your program. So this, again, sprite area, coding area, and the stage. So that's about it for now, and make sure you save and share your projects.